Intro scene. The video opens with a title screen displaying delicious macaroni and cheese recipes in bold, attractive font. The background features a subtle texture of cheese or macaroni patterns to set the mood. Scene 1. A close-up shot captures a pot of boiling water with macaroni being added gradually. Steam rises and the bubbling water highlights the cooking process. Scene 2. The camera zooms in as a hand stirs the macaroni in the boiling water using a wooden spoon, creating a rhythmic movement. Scene 3. The scene transitions to a bright kitchen counter where the cooked macaroni is being drained in a colander, with steam swirling upwards. Scene 4. Focus shifts to a saucepan over medium heat. Butter is melting and bubbling in the pan, creating a golden pool. Scene 5. A hand sprinkles flour into the melted butter, and the mixture is quickly whisked to form a smooth roux, showcasing expert cooking technique. Scene 6. Gradually, milk is poured into the roux, and the camera captures the steady whisking motion, ensuring the sauce remains lump-free and creamy. Scene 7. A generous amount of shredded cheese is added to the sauce. The cheese melts and transforms the mixture into a luscious, smooth cheese sauce. Scene 8. The cheese sauce is poured over the drained macaroni, and the rich, velvety texture is highlighted. Scene 9. The macaroni and cheese sauce are thoroughly mixed together in a pot, the creamy sauce coating each piece of macaroni. Scene 10. A close-up reveals the pot filled with creamy macaroni and cheese. The sauce clings perfectly to the pasta. Scene 11. The macaroni and cheese is transferred into a baking dish. The camera captures each spoonful as it is evenly spread. Scene 12. Breadcrumbs are sprinkled generously on top of the macaroni and cheese in the baking dish. The hands spreading the breadcrumbs move methodically. Scene 13. Small pieces of butter are added on top of the breadcrumbs, promising a golden brown crust. Scene 14. The baking dish is placed into a preheated oven. The angle captures the anticipation of the dish being transformed by heat. Scene 15. Close-up of the macaroni and cheese baking in the oven, showing the bubbling cheese and browning breadcrumbs, indicating it's almost done.